Hey guys, let's talk about the configuration files in Ansible, and let's also run some ad hoc commands against remote machines using Ansible in this lecture. Now in Ansible, the configuration files are located under /etc/Ansible. And if I do an ls here, there are two files. Ansible.cfg contains all the configurations for your Ansible installation, and host file is your local inventory file and contains a list of all your managed nodes. We'll talk about roles in a later section. Now let's do a cat on ansible.cfg. And let's go all the way up. Now this file contains all the configuration values. So for example, it contains the location of your host file, your temp directories, what user it will use when it tries to become sudo, the polling interval. It also contains information like the path for your log file, path for your roles file, you can also turn off logging in this file. So this is the path for your log file, and it says logging is off by default, so if you want logging to be enabled, you need to turn it on. Also has the values for SSH timeout, etc. Now the next file I want to show you is the host file. So let's do a nano on the host file. So sudo nano sudo nano hosts. Now this file contains a list of all your managed hosts. You can group the list of hosts using a group name inside square brackets. So here web servers is the name of the group, and all these values beneath web servers are the list of managed nodes that are part of the web servers groups. Now we've got two groups in our environment, a dev group and a prod group. Now it's also a good idea to have a group called all in case you need to run any commands against all the servers in your inventory. So under dev we need to type in dev.testlab.com, and then under prod you can type in prod.testlab.com, and then under all we need to type in both the names, so dev.testlab.com and prod.testlab.com. This way we can store the list of managed hosts in our inventory file. Now let's try and ping all these hosts using Ansible. To do that we need to run the ad hoc command. So I'll type in Ansible -m, and then the command I want to use is ping, and I want to ping all the servers. So I'll type in Ansible -m ping all, and looks like we've got success in pinging those servers. Now next we can try and ping let's try and run a command on those servers. So we can type in Ansible -m. Let's use the shell module, and -a, and let's give the command free -m, and this will tell us the free memory, and I want to run it against, let's first run it against all the servers. And as you can see, what it did was it used the shell module for Ansible, and then it logged into each server, ran free -m, and it gave us our results here. To run it against a particular group, we just need to change from all to that group's name. So it has returned the list of servers from that group, and because we just had one, it gave us results from only one server. We can also run it against a single server. like this. So dev.testlab.com, and in this way Ansible will log into dev.testlab.com, run free -m, and give us the results on our screen. So these are the results. In this way you can run ad hoc commands using the console. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.